Where you going? Anthony. Where you going, baby?
Come on. Come on. Zachary. Come on. Can you get the dragon? Yep, you can see. Get the dragon. Get the dragon.
That's what I want him to do, is the way he plows.
Get the dragon. Zachary, come get the dragon. Come on.
You gotta put it where he thinks he can get it, silly.
Come on. Come get it.
There you go. See?
Come on, you can get it.
Get over to the side of the bed. Get over to the side of the bed. Good job, Zachy. Good job. Good job.
I'm always ready.
Okay.